What if I told you you're not actually solid? It sounds like science fiction, but it's proven physics. Your body, the chair you're sitting on, the very ground beneath you, it's all EO 999, empty space. How is that possible? Let's zoom in to a scale so small it's hard to imagine. Every single atom that builds your body consists of a tiny, incredibly dense nucleus. Now, imagine that nucleus is a marble placed on the 50-yard line of a football stadium. Where are the electrons? They wouldn't even be in the stands. They'd be like motes of dust whirling around the stadium's outer walls. Everything in between the entire stadium is, for all intents and purposes, empty space. In modern physics, we don't even see electrons as solid points. They exist as a probability cloud, a fuzzy haze where the electron could be. This cloud fills the entire volume of the atom, yet it has virtually no mass or substance. The solidity we perceive is an illusion. So if you and the wall are both made of this atomic emptiness, why can't you walk through it? The first and most powerful reason is electromagnetism. The outer shell of every atom is its electron cloud, which carries a negative charge. When the electron clouds from the atoms in your hand approach the atoms in the wall, they repel each other, just like trying to push the north poles of two strong magnets together. You feel this repulsion as the sensation of touch and solidity. You are not physically touching the wall. Instead, you are floating an infinitesimally small distance away from it, pushed back by an invisible force field. But electromagnetism isn't the whole story. There's a deeper, stranger quantum rule called the Pauli exclusion principle. Think of it like a cosmic seating chart. It dictates that no two electrons can occupy the same quantum state, the same address and energy level at the same time. As the atoms in your body get extremely close to another object's atoms, their electrons would be forced to overlap and occupy the same states. To avoid this, they would have to jump to a much higher energy level. This requires an immense amount of energy, more than you could ever generate by walking. This energy barrier is what truly prevents your atoms from passing through the atoms of the floor. It's a fundamental law of quantum physics that preserves the structure of matter. So what does this all mean? It means the universe is not what it seems. You are not a solid object. You are a coherent pattern of energy, a collection of trillions upon trillions of nearly empty atoms, all vibrating and held in a stable, complex shape by invisible forces and quantum rules. The hardness of a table, the warmth of a hand, these are our sensory interpretations of these fundamental forces. We live in a world governed by fields and probabilities, not by solid blocks. The next time you look in the mirror, remember you are looking at 99.99, empty space, a miracle of energy perfectly and beautifully held together.